Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge of the Daily Trader. It is April 22nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock. I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this for fun. If it helps you, it helps me to think out loud. If it helps you to hear me, fine. Fine. Tesla closed at 719.69, down 24 bucks. Minus 3.28%. And post-market, I think that TradingView is having some problems. TradingView is saying that post-market it's 741. Is it 741 or is it down 9 cents? I don't know. So let's look at the candle. So the candle is red. There's a big wick on top. So it means that during the day, the stock went up and then was pushed down later. So it is what it is. It is a little of a bearish sign to have a bigger wick at the top than at the bottom. But it's also a bearish sign to have a red candle per se. Then if we look at the low of that candle, it's higher than the low of yesterday, so that's nice. And the high, well, the body of the red candle is within the body of the green candle, so it seems like volatility is shrinking down a little bit. Volume is approximately the same. If we pull back a little bit, we can see that we have so many lines. There are so many lines into play here. So we have the resistance, the big channel resistance that has been in play for over a year. So this is coming right here, and it looks like a little bit that today's candle went and almost touched it. So it almost touched it. So was it influenced by it? Maybe. We also have so I call this this resistance a secondary resistance because it was broken here on April 13th and 14th. So it's not as important a resistance as the one at 775, which is a horizontal resistance. So the main resistance and support are 775 and also at 709 for support. And we have this resistance, the top of the channel that I've just talked about. And we have the bottom of the channel, which is acting as support for, it has been acting as support for over a year now. And we have this new, let me introduce you to this new support. So I think this is what's going on. If you remember, if you follow my video every day, I do a video every day, every weekday. So basically we had downtrends here, we had a small downtrend here, we had another one here, and then boom, the stock is breaking. And if we put a support line across, well, except here, if we put a support line across all of these bottoms from March 8th, we skip March 25th, but we keep it for March 31st and April 9th. You see how it seems to be in play. What is this? April 19th and even yesterday, April 21st. So you see, so this is what seems to be happening. We have this support, this diagonal support within the channel, and the stock seems to be respecting that quite nicely. So basically what happened today is that we almost touched this secondary resistance, and we almost also used the secondary support as support. So nothing too crazy. It's just normal volatility for Tesla, I would say, and also the fact that the earnings are on Monday. So things are going to get a little bit crazy at some point, maybe. So let's look at the hour chart. So within the hour, so if we look at 9:30, so the stock started and went pretty high during the first hour, so it went up to 752, so that's quite high, and then it just decided to go down. Boom, 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 boom. And look at this here. So this is the new support that we have. So look at this here. So we almost went and touched this new support. So I wish that tomorrow it does this, something like this. Well, until the earnings. So something is going to be happening here at the earnings. So this is what has been happening intraday. If we look at the our indicators, well, we have a stochastic that is at 67.80. Then so down a little bit. We also have, we also have MACD that's positive, so it's still positive, everything is good. The DMI is shrinking a little bit. The two lines of the DMI are getting closer. Once the green line crosses down with the red line, this would be an indication of a change in trend to a bearish trend. So this is not what's happening. So they are just getting closer, but nothing too scary for now. And we are Thursday, so we have only one day, which is tomorrow, until well tomorrow we have that day before the earnings, and we also have Monday, which is going to be the 26th. So the earnings call will be I guess approximately at 7 or 8 o'clock or something like that. But a letter will be printed out, printed out. A letter, an earnings call letter will be published by Tesla after 5 or so. So we have 2 trading days before the earnings call. So I bet that Monday is going to be a very, very eventful day. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens to the stock. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting, discording, and Patreoning. I'm going to wish you a great evening. And we are going to talk tomorrow for the last day of the week. And I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.